Mom, I'm Balanza and I'm going to explain our applet distance converter. Okay, this is our applet distance converter where when you input here and click this, when I input 1 kilometer and convert it to miles, that will give an answer of 0.6214. Okay, I'll explain how we do it, how we put Java applet into web. First, let's go to NetBeans. We first our other member will explain how this code was run. My part is to explain how we put this Java applet into web. Okay, let me explain. First, let's go to the control panel. Java configuration. Just wait. While waiting for it to loading kayo, we make a Java class. This is our Java class. Distant converter.java. We have our Java class converter, then we have our jar Java distant converter.jar and our HTML file index.xml. Okay, index.html. First, where did we get this Java distant converter bar jar? First is lid. Click this for cleaning and building our application. After clicking this one, we go to the file, okay, we have done the clean and build, and then let's go to the dist folder and copy this distant converter and let's put this in here. But we already have Java distant converter. If you don't have, you just copy it here. After that, we're gonna get the source index.xml.source. You go to the netbin. Where is your netbin project distance converter? Your Java folder name, then the source, then get this HTML file. We put it into web. But first, let's go to Google Chrome or whatever you want to know what you use. When you go in this Java control panel, go to the edit site list, there add here, put it in the browser. Copy the source. Just copy the source. Put it in here. Okay. After this one. Copy use add and okay. Then up to the after that we have our index.html. Same as the simple XML, we have the opening in the HTML, then closing HTML, the head, we have the title, and we have our meta, HTML, type, content text, of our HTML, char set, and we have our Java code, Applet code base. Photo that our code in here was the file name of our Java class, distant converter, this one. Then we have our archive where it is the jar file, this one. And set our width and height and closing applet. Okay, after that, so we can get this. Allow as a reminder, just a reminder, please to make your Java always updated. So just wait. Then we have this distant converter. Okay, that's all. And Fred, Ledesma, and Harold Borres will explain the code order.
Oh.
Video
evening, Ma'am. I'm Borres, and I will continue the explanation of John Carl Balanza. And I will just explain the design of our converter, this one, how it go, how the process of this goes. So we'll go to here at the the design of that of our converter will be found here in this in the initial we initialize the components and all. Yes, the button group, here we have 9 button groups. All of these represent the button groups. Each of these they convert to mile up to convert to yard. It means in this it is a group that it is a group of buttons that if you will just click that if you will click, you must click one option. So that is the meaning of the button group. You cannot click all of the buttons. And we have the label, of course, the label of the button, and the text field of the text field. Each text field, we have 3 text fields. Here you can see here text field 1, text field 2, and text field 3. And we have 4 labels because of this. The distance converter, enter the distance in kilometers. All of that are the text field. And we just set the background, we just put some colors of it, set the background and the foreground, and so that's why it has color, so that our converter will look much better. Here the specific code for the enter distance in kilometers, here the enter distance in kilometers, we use the Tahoma font with this font size, and the color of the text enter distance in kilometers, because we use different colors in each category. It is also the same in the other category, just like in the enter distance in meters. Here, each of these, the radio button, the convert to mile, the convert to kilometer, the convert to yard, here, all of that can be seen here, the code of those buttons. That if you will click that button, it will action perform, and it will perform in its specific task to convert the user's input. And so that's it for this category, for the distance in kilometers. And it's just the same for miles and meters. It's just that the color of the font and the color of the font only differs. Yes, the convert to meter here, convert to meter here, convert enter distance in meters, convert to mile, kilometer, and yard. It's just the same on the other categories, just the color only differs. So, and here it is just because of the add and drop. We use add and drop so that it would be easier for us. Yes, all of these are because of the drag and drop. Yes, the component the vertical group, this set the vertical group, and that's it for my part for the design of this converter. We just put color on the by clicking the properties and customizing their colors, just setting their background different colors. So that would be all, and thank you.
It's making an applet, and our applet is all about distance converter, which converts kilometers to mile, kilometers to yard, kilometers to meter, and miles to kilometer, miles to yard, miles to meter, and meters to mile, meters to kilometer, and meters to yard. So my part would be this part, which is the entering the distance in miles and entering the distance in meters. We'll be discussing the code behind this part. So okay, let's start. Code here is okay. So some of the designs were not embedded on the web page, actual web page, but here this is what we plan on designing our applet. So here are our source code. Okay, there it is. My part is somewhere over here, starting at the after this private void JText field to action. First is this input to is a string declared globally here. See, input 2 and input 3. Input 2 represents the string on this text field, input 3 on this text field. So first is input 2 will get the text, whatever text it is inside the JText field. And this converter is also a string that is globally declared, and I put kilometers in order for the sentence on the window to be shown. Will be good for the eyes. Then result is also globally declared with initialization of 0.0. It's also set to double because conversion are more on decimals. So parsing the double input 2 times these digits are what we need in order for us to get the exact measurement from mile to kilometers. This is the mile to kilometers. So if you whatever input the user will put here, it will only be multiplied to 1.609344, and the answer will be converted into from miles to kilometer. For example, the user will input sample 2 kilometers, and the answer would probably be 2 times 1.609344. You should get the 3.218688 answer, so we'll try it. So 2 convert to kilometer. So we got the same answer, which is the 3.2868. So it's working. The next part is wait. This input 2 represents this number, then plus the word miles is the string. Yes, answer will be the result plus the convert to, which is also a string. Okay, the next would be miles to yard. Same goes. The same concept goes with this, except that the input of the user will be multiplied to 1,760 in order to get the exact measurement from yard to miles to yard. So for example, we got 5 yards times 1,760. We want to convert 5 miles into yards, so we should get the answer 8,800. So we'll try to test this. 5 miles to be converted to yard. So there was an error earlier, a typographical error. Instead of input 2, I accidentally typed input 1, which caused this to have a result of null. So to correct that, I correct it to input 2, then click save. Should be getting the answer of 8,800, but first should open the HTML file again with Internet Explorer and close the recent one. So to correct the typographical error that I encountered earlier, we're gonna run again the index.html file with Internet Explorer. Close the previous one, allow black content. Let's wait for a minute. Then you should get this again. You should get this 8,800. So 5 miles will convert into yard. There you go. We also got 8,800 yard and next is the miles to meter. So here it also has the same concept, but this time the input will be multiplied to 1,609.344 in order to get the exact measurement from miles to meter. For example, we have 3 miles. 3 miles multiplied by 1,609.344 should get the answer of 4,828.03%. Try it here. So yeah, let's input 3 miles will convert to meter, and we'll get 4,828 answer, which is also the same one calculated it earlier. And that's how you convert miles to kilometer, miles to yard, and miles to meter. The next topic that I will discuss is about converting from meters to mile, meters to kilometer, and meters to yard. So first is meters to mile. Down here we got the codes that will help us in getting the right conversion from meters to miles. So it has also the same concept as to the text field 2 or the input 2, but this time to get the exact measurement from meter to miles, you gotta multiply any input to 0.000621371. So, okay, let's test it. For example, we got 5 meters to convert. We will convert it to miles, so we multiply it to 0.000621371. 0.0062137. So we'll get the answer off. Should get this answer later. So we're gonna try it here. 5 to we get the same answer. Yes, we got the same answer. 5 meters is 0.003106855 miles. So the next version would be so the next is we're going to convert meters to kilometers. So here's the block of code that will teach us how to convert meters to kilometers. So this one is the simplest one because we're only gonna divide any input into 1000 in order to get the exact measurement from meters to kilometer. So the result will be double that parse double input 3 divided by 1000. So we're gonna, for example, we're gonna have to input 99 times, or divide 99 divided by 1000. We should get 0.09. So let's try to test it here. 99 converted to kilometer. We got the same. Oh. Okay, we're gonna have to. So yes. We got the same answer. Yes, 0.099 kilometers. 99 meters is 0.099 kilometers. So lastly, we're going to convert it into yard. To convert it into yard, we're gonna have to multiply it to 1.09361. So, for example, we got here's the block of code that will complete our applet. So we're gonna, so for example, so still got the same input times 1.09361. Should get the answer of 108.26739. So we're gonna test it here. Refresh. Yeah, 99 meters converted to yard will be 108.26. So this was not rounded off. It was cut only on the 5th digit. See, that's how you convert meters to man, meters to kilometer, and meters to yards. The formula was on our code, and it's only easy to convert them. So the last block of code would be the variable declarations, and it can't be modified since it's a swing GUI form and it's a Java applet. So any design that you added or any variables that you have added here will be put on this block of code, which cannot be modified. So first are the 4 labels, which is here. First, the distance converter label 1 is this one for kilometers, for miles, and for meters. These are the 4 labels. Next is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 9 radio buttons. I modified the first name, so its name is mile, and the rest, so they are here, the radio buttons. This is the radio button 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And lastly, text fields, the 3 text fields, which is obviously this one, and this one. And that's the part. And that's all for my part, which is miles, conversion of miles to kilometer, yard, meter, and meters to mile, is with Ledesma. Have a nice day ahead, man.